Hello and welcome back to another video of Clubs at Manipal. Today we have with us board members from ADA. So let's start off with the introductions. Ayush.
Hello, myself Ayush Jain. I'm the president of Other Dramatics.
Hi guys, myself Aman Goyal. I'm the general secretary of Other Dramatics.
Hey everyone, I am Aditya Hadia and I am the host of the show. So without any further ado, let's get started with the first question. So can you describe the ADA club? Like what is it about? What do you guys do and everything about it?
ADA is basically the official socio-dramatics club of Manipal. And as the name suggests, not only we do dramatics, we also focus on the social parts. Like I personally believe, and ADA also believes that dramatics is a very essential medium to convey a very important social messages every time. And through our art, through street play, to stage plays, and through mimes that we do, we always try to convey social messages. We always try to pick up those topics which convey a strong message to people. So we do three art forms. We do center stages, which are stage plays, which are performed on stage. We do street plays, which are performed on street in front of live audience. Live audience and then stage play also, but there's no proper stage. There's a street that we perform. We can perform street plays anywhere. And we do mime. Mime is basically a silent play, where the whole concept is about expressions and music and all. So other focus on these three. Other focus on giving a very essential social message in very easy way possible, in a very easy and simplified way possible through its various art forms. It was the same theme which I imagined when 11 years ago it started, and we hope that we are carrying this and hope it carries along. So that's what. Aman, you want to add something?
Yeah, like he told about all the different art forms in our club, but apart from that art form, I would like to say that if you join ADA, you will feel like a belongingness in the club. It's not necessary we only focus on acting. We have different departments like writing, photography, lighting, sounds. It's not only acting. So as the name suggests, yeah, dramatics. So acting is a part, but apart from that, also we have many different departments. So if you don't know acting, or if you want to learn about acting, writing, or any part of dramatics, you can join our club. And if you want to, I will say, enjoy all the 4 years of your engineering life, then Other Dramatics is the place you should come. We make sure that you feel like a family with us and you enjoy all the 4 years without regretting anything.
Cool, that sounds really good. So can you guys explain some of the events that you do every year? Like, do you have any events that you do like every year or something that you participate in?
Yes, of course. The previous year, because of online, we had to adjust of many things.
Understandable, yeah.
So I will tell you about both the things. I will tell you about the offline as well as online events. In the offline, generally, when the semester starts, we do a main production. Which is a ticketed event. So we generally pick up a very big play. Like last year, we did Sherlock Holmes. So we do in anywhere in Manipal sometimes. Mostly we do in the Fortune. So we do a main production. Then we go to various fests, like we go to Mood Indigo, we go to IIM Bangalore, and of course we participate in our own revels. We perform center stages in street play and all these fests. We are yet to perform a street play in Mood Indigo, but hopefully we'll do it sometime. And we do street plays. We do a blood donation street play.
Nice.
ISEC organizes a blood donation. I'm sure, not sure if it's ISEC or somewhere, but
Road
they
track,
organize
road track, it is road
track. I'm sorry, road track organizes a blood donation camp, and we promote that camp by doing a blood donation street. And we are doing it from, I think, last 4 to 5 years. That's a thing. And because we do a main production, as I said, we need to promote that production. So we do a promotional mime or a street play before the main production. And main production we do twice a year, one in the odd semester, one in the even semester. And in the online semester, because we were not able to do these things, so we did comedy sketches. We did 2 plays. One is Daldal, one is Zanjeer. Both are there on Instagram and YouTube channel. We did 2 short films, Palace of the Mind and a walkthrough. And we did 3 radio plays. Radio plays are basically audio plays. There's that little pictures on there and there's a voice behind it. And we organized an intra-ADA mono act competition, intra-ADA online fest to give a basic theme of what Revels is like in the first year, because they haven't attended Revels. Aman?
Apart from this, yeah, like when we recruit our first years, we also do a street play with them to showcase them what other dramatics do. Street play and a mime performance with them in Syndicate Hall, right, Ayush? In Syndicate
Uh-huh.
Hall.
Hmm.
In Syndicate Hall, we do a mime and a street play. So these are the events he forgot. That's why.
Cool. So that sounds really good. I think I have seen one of the street plays while it was offline. अब online में तो क्या ही देख सकते हैं, but still
one?
offline was pretty good. I don't remember the name, but like I was in first year, so उस time पे कुछ तो था.
In Revels, you saw that.
I think maybe, I don't know, but it was pretty good. So yeah, like talking about events, can you also specify some of your achievements and awards to our audience?
Yes,
Award.
Rick, I will talk about the play the short film which I mentioned, Palace of Mind. It has won awards across, I think, in every competition it went, it got award, almost in every competition. So the achievements of Palace of Mind, I will tell in the last. So first, I will tell the achievements which we did in the offline semester. Like after when I was recruited, I know that those achievements only. First year when I was recruited, we won IIM Bangalore. We won the center stage first, and that was a very big. And we won Rebels. We won first. We came runners up in the street play event, and then in the next year also in street play and center stage both we came runners up in both center stage and street plays. And Orpi Aman, which went more online.
You forgot in first year we went there also Utsav. We were selected for
Utsav,
Utsav. We won a mime performance in Revels.
Won a mime in Utsav. And in Palace of the Mind, coming to Palace of the Mind, I have to open my
Mood
phone
Indigo.
because
I used Mood Indigo top 5.
Mood Indigo was I think we went to Mood Indigo for the first time for stage plays, and over 50 clubs from all over India, dramatics club, come to Mood Indigo, and this was our first time, and we were selected in top 5 in Mood Indigo. So that was a very big thing, Unfortunately, we were not able to come in top 3, but we were selected in top 5 of the best 50 clubs. So that
still
was
being
one
in
of
the top 5
in
is
my
an achievement in itself.
Yeah.
My 4 years in which I've been in NADA, this is the biggest achievement that I've been a part of.
Unfortunately, I can't be.
And then coming to Palace of Mind, Aman got a makeup exam.
Makeup exam. Yes, I was in the cast, but I got a makeup exam. So.
Ouch. No problem.
And I got a makeup exam in that one particular subject only on which the performance was there. I had a makeup on that day only. Else in every subject I got A or B grade, but in that subject I got a makeup.
That hurts.
And Palace of Mind, there are many awards at Palace of Mind. To name a few, it had won 3rd place in short making film competition in Rendezvous 21. It is the cultural fest of IIT Delhi. And it has in Unmaad, it has won the best film as well as best direction. Ishan is our vice president and Shreyans is our filmmaking head. They won the best direction. And in NMIMS Satwa 21, it won the 2nd place. And in Indian Film House competition, it was selected in top 5. So
in IIM Bangalore, it also won best VFX.
VFX got a special mention of best VFX. You should check this film, Palace of the Mind. It's on the Instagram page.
Yeah, that's a lot of achievements.
As I mentioned, we also performed comedy sketches in the online semester. And our comedy sketch, one of the comedy sketch named "No One Wants to Know," it won, and its actor Ravi also got a special mention.
Okay, so let's do this. We'll put a link in the description for that video that you were talking about, and the viewers can check it out from there. Moving on to the next question. Can you guys explain the domains in the club? Like what all departments or domains you have?
In our club, we have acting, writing, lights and sounds, PAV, sets, graphics, and music. Did I left anything, Ayush?
Management.
Management. So in acting, as the name suggests, we have to give acting auditions and all. We have to perform. In writing, we recruit students who know how to write or who want to learn about writing. We write our own street plays. We even write some scripts of short films or center stage. So in writing, that is the department. Lights and sound, again, as the name suggests, it is for the students who want to learn light or who are interested in light to give in, like we want light in center stage, not in street play, but yeah, in particular mime, we want some light sounds. Sounds is the main effect of mime because as it is a silent play, so we want something to make it interesting. So sound is the main effect of a mime. Then we have PAV, photography and videography. Obviously, every actor need a photo of his or her to do flex among his friends. So PAV, then management, obviously management to manage the whole main production or street play, center stage, mime. In short, to manage the whole club events, every event which the club organizes. So management is that. Then graphics, like we want to make posters or some trailer, some like that. So for that we need graphics team. So graphics, that department which makes all these things. And sets, yeah, sets is the main important thing for a center stage play. In center stage, like sets is also an effect of a center stage. It makes the play more beautiful and attractive. So we need a good sets team in our club to make the play more beautiful and attractive. So yeah, sets. And did I miss anything, Ayush? Like I can remember these departments only. Yeah, this is it. These are the domains of our club.
Cool. So one of the most asked questions that freshers generally ask is, how do you guys recruit and when do you guys recruit?
Recruitment process, because in general, when the semester used to go offline, we used to recruit in September. But now, answering this question, generally, we recruit as soon as the interaction ban gets over. We last year we participated in Cambiar, and just after Cambiar, we started our recruitment. So for freshers, as soon as the interaction ban gets over, we start recruiting. We also, this time we didn't do it, but we also recruit in January. Like Aman was one of the January recruits, I was one of the September. So we recruit in January and we recruit in September. We recruit 2 times a year. Because of online, all the schedule got haywire and all. So last year we recruited, I think we recruited 2 times. We recruited November and
November
and September 2 times. But so that was the scene. But we generally recruit in September in offline, and in general speaking, we recruit just after interaction ban gets over. Our recruitment process. And how do we recruit? To answer that question, in offline we recruit. We set up info desks and all, and we mentioned the place, we mentioned the venue, we mentioned the timing, and you just have to come there. And it's a very simple process. You just have to come there, you will do. How you have to just fill a form where you have to choose a preference or what you have to choose in which categories and which domains you want to interview. If you want to audition for acting and management, so you will acting and then you will have to interview for management. So it's a very simple way. You have to just come to the venue, then it's a very simple. You will come to it. And regarding online, it's we promote using our Instagram pages. We promote in offline also using our Instagram pages, but in online we have to just stick to Instagram and all. So we promote through our Instagram pages and all, and people come. We post it in our freshers group. There are lots of freshers group in Facebook.
Right.
We post in our freshers group. We take help of you people also in recruitment process, all my team. And so we try to reach out, and don't worry, I'm talking this to freshers. If Ada is recruiting, you will come. Because we need you people.
Yeah,
So we inform freshers, and then they get added to a WhatsApp group. The people who have put in the name, they get added to a WhatsApp group, and then they are given slots, their days and slots, because it's online. We have to I think carry forward the recruitment process in 4 to 5 days. So we add them in a group day wise, and in that particular day we give them a time slot from 6:30 to 7:30, and they have to get ready in that time slot. And we send them the meet link in which their respective domain interview is going on, and just they have to click the link and their interview start. It's a very simple process for the freshers. Backend, there's a whole lot of thing going on.
Yeah.
But for the freshers, for Recme, that's a very simple process. Given your names, and then after that, it's a very simple process.
In addition to this, I have to say just one thing. Like there's also one recruitment drive in August when we are in the offline mode. That recruitment drive is for people who are not in MIT, like Mahe, all Mahe colleges. Except MIT first years, that is recruitment drive for all Mahe colleges every year for all my colleges, and for second, third, and fourth year for MIT colleges. And the process is similar, which Ayuj explained.
Okay, so by the way, a shameless promotion. You can also check out the Almighty app, link in description, and you can find out the club, know more about Ada, and there's a basic description of the club as well there. So yeah, go check it out. You can even see if it's recruiting right now. So yeah, next question is something that I've heard a lot from freshers again. How many people do you guys recruit every year?
I think there are last time because of online we recruited almost 200 to 220 people, but in offline we recruit more than 500.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Like last year we recruited 504 people to be precise. And
That's nice.
because of online, many restrictions and people don't come. Like many people come because of Infodesk. You know that. So many people come because of, and the whole purpose of Infodesk goes in vain because of this online. And you can't influence people to come. You can't convince people to come. If they want to come, they will come by seeing the posters and all. So
Right.
this last year, just the half, like 230 or 240 people were. But in offline, we recruited more than 500.
Okay, so one more question that you must have got till now quite a lot is how much time do you think you expect from a member of Ada?
If that question is related to will that affect your academics, will that affect your friendship
Yeah, kind
with
of.
others? So don't need to worry. In fact, Ada, while joining Ada, I was also not sure because first year में तो सबको जोश होता है कि placement first year मतलब fourth year में जोश नहीं but first year में I used to have that जोश placement.
Right.
So we do, as I said, a main production which ends I think one and a half weeks before your sessional exam. Okay. No, it starts after 1.5 weeks semester exam. Your main production.
Wait,
and
I did not hear that. Ayush, can you repeat that?
Hello. So we have a main production, as I said, and it ends, I think, 1.5 weeks before your end semester exam. So you have I think 10 days and 11 days to plan. 10 days and 11 days might be like it will sounding too less for end semester, but it's way too much. We have prepared 1 or 2 days for end semester. And Aman his GPA is 8.6.
Yeah, again for flex, I can assure you that if you come in other dramatics or any other club you want, there is no pressure that how will you handle studies. I can make sure. I am in other dramatics from first year and I'm like a very active member. Now I'm a board member. My CGPA is 8.5 and it is maintained like that only in every semester. And like you get only 4 or 5 days before sessional, but it is way too much. You just need to study 1 or 2 days and you will score good marks in sessional. Just pay attention in the class. You don't need anything else. Just pay attention in the class, and with that you can manage other or any other club you join.
That is
Time
true.
मिल जाता है.
Okay, so one more question. I'm pretty sure ये तो पूछा ही होगा किसी ने. There are other clubs also in Manipal who are like into dramatics and stuff. So what makes Ada so special?
To answer that question, so first of all, that I speak this from the heart, that Ada has introduced art form called mime, and it's a very like you all have heard of Charlie Chaplin, and acting through mime is one of the difficult, because I am the president. I have done the most number of plays in Ada dramatics, and I have not done a single mime. Because I find it way too difficult. And like Aman has done here mime, Aman has directed a mime. So Ada has introduced a new art form in dramatics, mime in Manipal. And that's a very, when I was being recruited, that I found it very fascinating. That there is a mime also. I didn't have that courage to do mime, but Ada has introduced mime. Ada is a socio-dramatics club of Manipal. It focuses very much on socialism and very much on bringing out the impact, because Ada, as I said, always believe that dramatics is a very essential way of putting giving a very social impact to people. So Ada focuses that very much. So I think that ways Ada is a quite different club from rest of the clubs in Manipal. Aman, kuch add karna hai?
Yeah, in this I want to add one more thing. Like many students I have come across, they say like in colleges seniors rag, there's ragging and all. Senior don't treat juniors well, but I can make sure that in Ada you don't see that thing that senior will not treat the juniors very well. They're like brothers and sisters. If you want to make, you may. but like everyone will treat you very calmly and peacefully, so there is no ragging or nothing. You will feel like a family in other dramatics. At in other club also there is these things, but in other I can make sure that this thing will be followed. You will feel like a family in other dramatics.
I think overall in Manipal, in MIT specifically, we have this amazing culture where seniors are not really, we don't call seniors sir,
Yeah.
at least normally. I think कुछ clubs
Yeah.
वगैरह में करते हैं, but then overall it's very friendly
But
as
in other
compared to
dramatics,
other.
but
हाँ मतलब कहीं नहीं होता ये तो.
So with that question, we now come to an end of our formal segment of this episode. And now let's move on to some informal questions. But before that, we'll just add one more person to this meeting. Okay, hello Purvi. So please
Hi.
introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Purvi, Mancom member of Other Dramatics.
Okay, so the first question for this informal segment, can you share this one informal experience from your club, like during your tenure or whatever you have experienced? Any one thing that is very fun to share about?
I think the most memorable experience is the time when we got selected in top 5 in Mumbai. That I will cherish.
कुछ तो
I
offline
think,
होगा ना.
I think जो मजा होता है ना, I personally feel the theater, what we really mean by theater is the practice that we do. The 20, I think theater doesn't mean that 2 hours that we spend on stage. I think theater is the 20 days that we spend on practice. So all the plays which I have done, the practice, all the 2 weeks or 3 weeks of practice I have done for each and every play, that was, I think, the most fun, not in Madhya, the most fun thing in my college life.
Right. Okay, that sounds really good.
मैं अपना एक फन का एलिमेंट बताता हूँ. मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, मेरे क्लब ज्वाइनिंग का मैं बताता हूँ. मैंने क्लब कैसे ज्वाइन किया था, वही एक फन एलिमेंट है मेरा. हमारे जो अभी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है ईशान श्रीवास्तव और प्रोडक्शन हेड आदित्य राज श्रीवास्तव, वो मेरे आउटसाइड आधा भी, मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर में मेरी क्लास में थे, तो मेरे काफी अच्छे दोस्त थे. तो ये सेकंड सेम की बात है, हम लोग ने कुछ सोचा कि अब कॉलेज आया है तो कॉलेज लाइफ को कुछ प्रोडक्टिवली यूज किया जाए, तो कुछ अलग करते हटके. तो हमें FC2 में शाउट आउट टू FC2 आदित्य, मैंने तेरे वीडियो में देखा था, तूने किया था, तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी कर देता हूँ.
FC2 OP.
FC2 OPS, हाँ. तो FC2 में मैं अदर ड्रामेटिक्स का पोस्टर देखा, तो हमने सोचा कि यार एक्टिंग तो ऐसे नॉर्मल लोग मतलब हटके कुछ तो किया जाए. तो हम तीनों ने सोचा कि ठीक है एक्टिंग इंटरव्यू में जाते हैं, अदर ड्रामेटिक्स से कुछ करते हैं. बट थोड़ा आदित्य राज में और मेरे में थोड़ा आलस ज्यादा है ईशान के कंपैरिजन में, तो हम लोग शाम को रिक्रूटमेंट टाइम से पहले सो गए. ईशान आया, हमें उठाया कि भाई चलो चलना है, अपने को लाइफ में कुछ अलग करना है, हम नॉर्मल करने के लिए नहीं बने. तो हम कैसे भी आलस में कुछ भी फोर्स करके हमें ले गया. हम तीनों ने इंटरव्यू दिया, कुछ भी दिया, हम सिलेक्ट हो गए. चलो ठीक है, मतलब ये नहीं कि ऐसे कोई भी जाके सिलेक्ट हो सकता है, अच्छा इंटरव्यू दिया हमने इसलिए सिलेक्ट हुआ हम, ठीक है. उसके बाद फिर उस टाइम पे हम ना IIM बैंगलोर जाने वाले थे. तो हम तीनों को क्रेज कि भाई कॉलेज को रिप्रेजेंट करके बाहर कोई दूसरे कॉलेज में जाएंगे, मजा आएगा, ऐसे कॉलेज का नाम भी होगा और हमारा नाम भी होगा कि हाँ कॉलेज को रिप्रेजेंट किया था. तो ऑडिशंस थे IIM बैंगलोर के. अब फिर मेरे और आदित्य में थोड़ा आलस आ गया कि यार कौन जाएगा, छोड़ इतनी, क्योंकि 17 ब्लॉक से AB5 जाना था, तो तू जानता है कितना लंबा रास्ता है.
Understandable.
फिर आलस आ गया कि कौन जाएगा. फिर ईशान श्रीवास्तव पूरा एकदम जोश में था कि नहीं भाई चलेंगे, IIM बैंगलोर का ऑडिशन देंगे, मजा आएगा, IIM बैंगलोर जाएंगे, कॉलेज का नाम भी होगा और अपना भी नाम होगा, चलते हैं. तो हम ठीक है कि चल तू बोल रहे हैं, इतना फोर्स कर रहे हैं, तो चलते हैं. ईशान हम दोनों को एकदम खींच के लेके गया. हम तीनों ने ऑडिशन दिए. एंड में मैं और आदित्य सिलेक्ट हो गए, ईशान सिलेक्ट नहीं हो.
ये सटल फ्लेक्स देख रहे हो आप?
मतलब ईशान जो हमें लेके गया था कि चलो भाई करेंगे, आलस हटाओ, बेचारा वो सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ और मैं और आदित्य सिलेक्ट हो गए.
शाउट आउट टू ईशान भाई, मतलब अंडरस्टैंडेबल.
फिर वो प्ले हम जीत भी गए. तो ईशान को और बुरा लगा.
परेशान VP है.
ईशान VP.
देखो वो होता है ना कि ऐसे लोग फेल होते हैं तो दुख होता है, ठीक है, बट उसके बाद अपना दोस्त टॉप पे दिखता है.
दोस्त टॉप करते तो ज्यादा दुख होता है. आई कैन रिलेट.
लेकिन उसके बाद अमन को उसका इतना अमन ने इतनी बड़ी कहानी बताया,
बस ऐसा ही रोकते अपन. दिस वाज द आंसर. बस. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
वैसे पूर्वी, व्हाट अबाउट यू, क्या था ऐसा फन एक्सपीरियंस या कुछ?
मैं बताती हूँ. ठीक है, हम लोग मूड इंडिगो जाने वाले थे. दैट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी ड्यूरिंग जब वो बैक लगती है ना लोगों की.
अरे वो पता लग गया
वो वाला टाइम.
ये मैं बता चुका हूँ पूर्वी, मेकअप वाला. बट फिर भी तेरे को एक्सप्लेन करने डिटेल में तो कर दे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
हाँ तो
काट
अमन
देना है
भैया
फिर भी
ना
अलावा।
सबको जा जाके बोलते थे कि देखो पढ़ना पढ़ना, फेल मत होना, फेल मत होना। हम सब में से सिर्फ अमन भैया फेल हुए, और उसी दिन जिस दिन मूड इंडिगो था वो नहीं आ पाया।
तो
और सारे सब्जेक्ट से मेरे को ए या बी ग्रेड आया, बट उसी एक सब्जेक्ट में फेल हो गया जिस दिन मूड इंडिगो की परफॉर्मेंस।
ये बाय द वे ये कौन सा सब्जेक्ट था ऐसे फॉर फ्यूचर रेफरेंस, ये नहीं ले हम हो सके तो।
मैकेनिकल नहीं, मैकेनिकल में था थर्ड सेम में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, बल्कि अभी बट अब
मैकेनिकल
तो
पीप्स
ऑनलाइन
वुड
ही
बी
चल
एबल
रहा
टू
है तो
रिलेट।
हाँ, बट ऑनलाइन में बहुत चिल है भाई, पूरा थ्योरी सब्जेक्ट है, ऑनलाइन में पूरे A+ ला सकते हो।
वी आर नॉट प्रमोटिंग चीटिंग गाइस, ओके, मैं पहले ही बता दूं।
हाँ।
Neither Radha nor Almighty promote cheating. So with that, we just come to an end of this episode of Clubs Art Manipal. Guys, can you just say to our viewers to like, share, and subscribe?
लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल जहाँ पर तुमने देख रहे हो चीज।
अब देखो सुन
Comment.
लिया
अदा
है।
ड्रामेटिक्स और ऑलमाइटी दोनों ज्वाइन करना, दोनों बहुत अच्छे क्लब है, दोनों में मजा आएगा।
Almighty Club नहीं है।
आप क्लब नहीं, स्टार्टअप, हाँ मतलब उसमें ज्वाइन करना, और अदा ड्रामेटिक्स क्लब।
Yes, so follow everyone. Link will be in the description. तो देख के आ जाओ। And yeah, with that being said, let's just end it. Bye bye.
Bye bye guys, take care, stay safe. नहीं, मैकेनिकल में था थर्ड सेम में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, बल्कि अभी बट अब
Mechanical
तो
peeps
ऑनलाइन
would
ही
be
चल
able
रहा
to
है तो
relate.
हाँ, बट ऑनलाइन में बहुत चिल है भाई, पूरा थ्योरी सब्जेक्ट है, ऑनलाइन में पूरे A+ ला सकते हो।
We are not promoting cheating guys, okay, मैं पहले ही बता दूं।
हाँ।
Neither Radha nor Almighty promote cheating. Okay.
It's advised to don't follow all the required conditions. टीचर लिखती है ना advised not to cheat, वो क्या take your
Not to
advice.
cheat.
Okay. ठीक है, so इसके बाद तो आई इतना ही था, ऐसे ये फन वाला ही क्वेश्चन था। और कुछ आपको बताना है ऐसे?
मैं एक और बताऊं?
हाँ हाँ बताओ,
बताओ।
अपना ही